Tens of millions of Indonesian people depend on the agroforestry sector for their livelihoods. The industry is estimated to grow by 5% during 2015. Indonesia is one of the largest exporters of wood, paper, and pulp. A lot of it is grown here in Sumatra, where the hot and wet climate provides the perfect conditions for acacia and eucalyptus trees to thrive. However, the heavy rainfall and dense jungle can also pose great problems for our customers, who require productive and fuel-efficient machinery that can withstand mountainous terrain, swampland, and uneven ground. At Volvo Construction Equipment, we offer our customers a complete solution that includes reliable products combined with effective service and aftermarket support. Our dealers stretch the length and breadth of the Indonesian archipelago, enabling fast maintenance and parts supply to even the remotest of locations. This industry-leading level of support is recognized by a growing number of agroforestry businesses who want high-performing equipment and fast backup when they need it. We have seen sales of Volvo equipment double in this sector over the past year. The EC140BLCM hydraulic excavator has been particularly popular thanks to its fuel-efficient engine, high lifting capacity, and long periods of uptime, even in the tough conditions here in the jungle.
Tantangan yang terberat di job site yang ada adalah rawa. Maka saat ini kami menggunakan Volvo EC140BLCM, di mana kemampuannya sangat memudahkan kami untuk berjalan di daerah yang sangat berat pun. Kami selaku owner yang memiliki unit yang ada pada job site sangat senang menggunakan karena sudah menggunakan teknologi yang cukup baik. Ya, bahkan kami bisa monitor melalui handphone, laptop, dan lain-lain, tidak perlu sampai ke job site. Untuk produktivitas kita jauh lebih tinggi, maka kami sangat merasa diuntungkan dengan menggunakan produk Volvo saat ini, di mana produksi kami sebelumnya menggunakan unit lain yang sekelas yang sama, namun untuk saat ini jauh lebih baik dengan menggunakan Volvo itu sendiri dari segi produktivitas yang sangat tinggi.
Nama saya Eben Sitompul, saya bekerja di PT RE selama 2 tahun. Saya sebagai operator. Pengalaman saya mengendarai alat Volvo EC140, mesinnya bandel, solarnya irit, tahan di lumpur dan di rawa. Kami beroperasi bisa sampai 18 jam dalam 1 hari. Hal itu tidak menjadi masalah karena alat ini dilengkapi dengan AC dan tempat duduk yang nyaman. Selain itu mesin tidak pernah mengalami overheat, sehingga kami dapat lebih produktif. Keunggulan alat ini dibanding alat lain lebih bertenaga pada saat menarik muatan.
The Volvo EC140BLCM hydraulic excavator is fitted with a longer boom, offering the longest reach in its class. The boom and arm are reinforced to make them stronger, and the durable undercarriage is covered with heavy-duty plates to reduce wear. It also offers low ground pressure, making it easy to operate on saturated mud, wetlands, or peat. The powerful, innovative, and efficient Volvo D4 engine is designed to match perfectly with the machine's hydraulic system and components to deliver high torque even at low revs for fast ground clearing and low fuel consumption. This machine has been designed to adapt to challenging conditions to ensure that the right work mode is selected for maximum power and reliability while delivering Volvo's industry-leading fuel efficiency. Volvo does that extra bit to offer customers added value. All machines feature Volvo's unique telematics system, CareTrack, as standard. This helps fleet owners remotely monitor every machine's whereabouts, fuel consumption, and fault alarms. In addition, our local dealers offer operators free training on how to minimize fuel consumption and take care of the machine. Volvo has a strong dealer network covering the whole of Indonesia with sales, service, and spare parts available close to its customers. At Volvo, we work with our customers to find solutions that best suit their working conditions. Our aim is to partner with our customers for the long term. We are proud to be continually innovating to bring new products to our customers in Indonesia that help them improve their operations and bring better productivity to what they do. Indonesia is a very important market to Volvo, and we are here to stay.